So for my 20% project, I made like a music video made of 3 parts that I put together, and I wrote. Should I play it first or after? I'll play at the end. Okay. So what I did, the first thing I did was I had to write the music, and so they're like melodies that like everybody knows. So I kind of just like did it by ear, and I just wrote it down, and then I did the melody, and then I did the bass line and the harmony, and then I had to add in the transitions from like each part of the music. And then after I recorded with my instrument, and I used a recorder, and so I just sat down and I played it with the music in front of me. And then after that, I played in front of a camera, and I played the recording, each part I played out loud, and then I just played it, and then later I muted what I played in the video so that I could overlay the sound over the video. And then I used a program to put together and sync all the tracks, and I had to like amplify and like de-amplify certain parts to make it sound right and not be all the same, because it's like melody, harmony, bass line. And then I used a different program to put together and lay out the videos. And then I deleted the sound on all the videos and put them into a format, and then I put the sound of all the tracks over that, and then I added the text. And so when I was recording, I had to wear headphones. In the first part, I listened to a metronome, and I played the part, and then for the second part, I listened to the first part and played the second part to the first part, and then for the third recording, I did the same thing. I played it to the first one so that they all would line up and they'd be the same tempo and everything. And when I filmed, I had to it's kind of obvious, but I like find a good background, and then set up the camera in a stable place, and then I had to keep it in the same place so that it would all look the same in all 3 videos. And so for the harmonies and bass line, for the harmonies, I had to find the chord progressions for each note or like phrase, and then so say like in one of them there was like an A, and then maybe the chord was like D major or something, and I would pick a note that like works, and then I'd use that note to have the harmony, and then I would put them together to make a rhythm that's like the same or that like complements the original melody. And then for the bass line I did the same thing, but I did lower notes, and I did like more simple rhythms so that it would make the melody stand out. And so it's not really the 2 songs, they're not really partner songs, but I put them together so that, and the reason is because, as you can see, the chords, they don't like exactly line up, but they're sort of the same, and then the rhythms, they kind of match up, and everyone kind of knows that they go together. So, and then things that were hard was challenges, syncing the audio with the videos. If like I didn't play everything exactly the same as what I was listening to, then I'd have to redo it, because then when it lines up, it like won't line up, and it'll look like I'm like playing like a ghost note or something. And then they're also, both songs are in different keys originally, so I had to transpose them both to be C major. And then things I would change if like I did this project again or something, I would make harder songs, because this was like really easy stuff, because it's like a basic song and stuff. And it was my first time doing it, and I'd probably add more instruments because I only did 1, but I tried to make it simple and only focus on 2 songs instead of like making a whole medley or something. And then more professional, I don't know, like if I could film it better and record it better. And so I had a project, and it was like my first time doing this, so it's kind of bad, but I don't know, don't laugh. Yeah, I know it's kind of bad. It's okay.